Where are we gonna ride on the train at, Drake?
Go find your spot.
You wanna get in blue or yellow? How about the giraffe car?
Where do you want to go?
The peacock or the giraffe? Come on, dude, choose. Drake, we're getting in here. You can ride with us.
Thank you.
Certainly, hop on in.
Hey, train friends.
Whoa, let's see if I'll fit. What do you know?
All right, you listen and be still, okay? Okay. I'll see you when you get done.
So cute.
Bye, Mom. Bye. Have fun.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Dixon.
What is it?
Dixon.
Dixon. Nice name, Dixon. Y'all both start with a D. Drake and Dixon. Isn't that awesome? We're in the giraffe car on the safari train. We are. Look at all those spider webs over there. Think that's for the boo at the zoo?
Ready to go? Don't let us disconnect, okay? Okay, if we're about to fall away, let us know.
Yeah, they're on the caboose.
Can I sit here? Or do you want to
We've rode in the caboose before.
When did it fall?
No, it didn't. It stayed attached.
It's kind of funny. Watch your fingers. I feel like a Alice in Wonderland. She let you. I like the way how it's connected. All right, everybody. Hi, welcome to the train. Make sure that you. Now you're making me nervous.
No pressure.
Make sure you stay seated or keep the children seated or hold them if they're a baby. And also, please don't reach for the trees. And at the count of 3, we're going to yell, all aboard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All aboard!
I just love doing trains. Did you know that I just did it like a different voice because, you know, I can make different voices?
Was that your excited voice?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of bumpy. Ooh, look at that.
Kind of cool. That's scary.
It is.
Yeah, because that's why it's almost on leaf.
Looky there.
Hi. Whoa! There's zombies.
There's zombies? Where? Really? Ooh, look at that big spider.
Yeah.
We're gonna go through a little bridge tunnel type thing, guys. What's on the side of this house? Just spider webs. There's a spooky ghost.
Like that? I'm scared. I know.
You're afraid?
Yes.
I don't think so.
You're supposed to be scared because it's almost Halloween. I might be a banana for Halloween.
Ooh, look, that house has eyes.
Ooh, is that the monster house in that movie?
Yeah. Maybe.
I can see that doing it. Oh, W. What does that mean? W stands for what?
safe to say W stands for woods. I think you're right.
It does stand for what? Oh my God, that does not make sense. Let's change the scary house back here.
Did you see the house that had eyes on it up here? Yeah.
It's creepy. It has a heart window.
I think the house with eyes is coming up right over here. It does, it has eyes. Alright, do you like the train ride?
Yes.
Yes, it was awesome.
Yes.
Rest of your day.
Bye-bye.
Say bye, Dixon.
He's like that super white kid.
Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.